Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on restricted mode on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us over here just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear. Again, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a settings or a gear icon available for us on this interface. Tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner, and you land on this interface. Now we'll be required to tap on the general option available for us just at the top of the list, guys. Over here, tap on the general, and you'll be required to scroll down on this interface, and you can see, guys, this is the restricted mode option available for us. Now where it also says this helps hide potentially mature videos, no filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So in order to turn it on, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that restricted mode like this, and the restricted mode on YouTube will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.